Hey guys, what's good? Today you guys are going to be watching me do this bun, this top knot, whatever you want to call it, from beginning to end. At the start of this video, you guys are going to see just how crazy my hair is and how buff these arms got to be to put this bun up. So if you guys are ready, we're just going to jump straight into this video and let's go. Alright, jumping straight into this video. As you can see, my hair is absolutely insane. Yeah, I just washed it like yesterday and I didn't put any product in it. I was just like, alright, we're just gonna let her dry and do what she wants, because I was just too lazy to do it. But now I look crazy, so here we are. The first product I'm going to go in with is this Cantu conditioning cream, and I'm just going to put that all over my dry hair, taking about this much. And I'm going to make sure I get it all in the back. And I do this just so it helps me kind of smooth it down when I'm brushing it. So it gives it something to like lay down, you know? Alright, so now I'm just gonna go in with some water and my brush and just smooth all of this out. Alright, now I'm just gonna go ahead and collect all my hair where I want my ponytail to be.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain segments.
Alrighty, now that everything is smooth and ready to be laid down, I'm gonna go ahead and get some of my Eco Styler gel, which is pretty empty, so just about that much for the front of my head.
Of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on two separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound.
And now I'm gonna again smooth everything out, but the gel is gonna hold it in its place.
To obtain in a monaural recording.
Alright, now that is almost done. I'm gonna go in with my brush and just kind of pull down my baby hairs. Just like that. And do the same thing for the other side. Okay, now to form the bun. Alright, now that the bun is done after trying to do it 800 different times. I don't know if you guys caught what my technique was for this one. I just collected all my hair together and wrapped it around, and this is what came out of that. Yeah. Now it's on for these baby hairs. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so going in with my handy dandy toothbrush, not my toothbrush, but my hair toothbrush. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the same gel I used for my hair. Just scoop some of this stuff up and go ham. Alright guys, this is the finished look. My camera overheated so you guys didn't get to see me finish my edges, but I mean you guys saw the majority of it happening. And yeah, so this is how I do my top knot. Yeah, so you guys already know the deal. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share this video, and yeah, catch you in the next video.